Hey, welcome to this channel. My name's Oliver and today we're gonna have another great trading session with binary options on the platform Quotex where I trade. You can find the link to that platform in the description, as well as a Telegram group where you can join and find a lot of useful information for your experience in trading. But just by following signals and looking at these sessions that I do, you can learn a lot for your own experience. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and let's get with the video of today. Today I'm gonna start with something more sophisticated, $235 for the first option. We have zigzag, we have Donchian channel as indicators today. So we're gonna use those. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and probably use the indication of the price of the bearish trend here. I mean, it's up and down, but I guess we can use 1 minute time. Actually, let's go ahead, and I think the price is about to go up. Let's go ahead and do call option here. I don't think we have enough time. 1 minute is not enough time for the price to still be going down. And yeah, let's see the result. Ooh, we just had a draw, so it wasn't enough time, you know. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing because I think we just didn't have enough time to go up, but nothing has changed, so we're gonna go ahead and wait for the result. $444 of profit. What a number. We're gonna go ahead and put the 444 in the investment section, and we're gonna go ahead and use it on our next victim. Let's go to a 30-second graph here. Just have a look what's going on here. Right, so gonna go ahead and place a $444 option here for a long a call option. And the idea behind this is that I think the price is gonna go ahead and reach the resistance level there. I mean, right now it's going down, so I think it's gonna go ahead and reach that resistance level, and then from there it could break it or go down. But obviously here you have a pullback, but let's see if we have enough time to go back up. So let's wait for the result. And here is the profit, $839, $839 in the investment section. Put in, and let's go to the next. Let's go to the next currency. For example, this one here. Let's have a look. Okay, so right now we're at the top. At the top. I mean, it didn't reach yet the resistance level. There is another resistance level there. So I see the price is starting to go down, so it's starting to lose its power, the market, and basically from there, when it starts going like this, we have enough time to go into a short, especially with 1 minute. I mean, we can see on the graph that it happened and then it went back up, but here I think it's gonna go down for a bit, so for a few minutes at least. So yeah, let's see the result. $1,585. That's a good one already. That's a perfect balance already to go ahead and make something a bit more interesting here. So let's see. We're gonna go ahead and use 1,000 next for our next option. And 1000 there. Let's go to this currency. Okay. So right here we have a resistance zone formed, resistance level. So from there we're gonna probably bounce off and go down. So we're gonna go ahead and make this put option, and let's wait for the result. Here we have the perfect option played out, 2,486 on our balance. So the next option is going to be for 2,000. We're going to go ahead and use the indications of the, let's see, on a 1 minute graph, and we're going to go ahead and use the indications. Even the 2 minutes is better to see. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and use the indications and make this call option. Basically, we are on the uptrend, and why not just use the, as I say, this train, and get on this train and relax, because a lot of the times we're looking for something in a graph that's maybe not even there, and that's not a good situation. We're gonna try and be with the cold head, and just take it easy and not look for something that's not there. We could be inventing stuff. It's a lot of the times it's better to just look for a clear indication than just trying to picture something on the graph that may not be there, or just makes a bit of a complicated trading. So, and here we are. Here we have 1,900 from each of the options, which is double. And here we're gonna go ahead, and we have 4,000 on our balance, and we're gonna go and place a $4,000 option today. And let's have a look. Okay, so let's change to this one here. Okay, so this here is quite a strong downtrend. We're gonna go ahead and make a put option for 4,000 here. I mean, following the indications, again, not inventing stuff, and just following these indications. So I'm expecting the breaking of the support levels here. In this case, I see some strong bearish candles there. So let's wait for the result. I'm excited to find out the result. And a really good profit there, 7,900 on our balance. I just made this quick option here because I think we can take advantage of a quick option like this on the same with the same idea, the bearish market, and a couple of thousand option. Not a huge one, but actually, I think it bounced off the support level. I was expecting that it breaks it through. I was really expecting that to happen. I mean, oh yeah, that's it. It bounced off, and now it had crossed the middle line of Donchian channel, as you can see, which means it broke it's acting as a resistance level actually now. So I think this one is lost. I'm gonna go ahead and try to... Yeah, that one's lost. So I made a $5,000 option, considering that I was losing the other one. So I just made this quick decision, and basically this is like a pullback in my opinion. And yeah, so see, now we are looking at profitable options so far, because it's going back down. So there was a pullback, and unfortunately it caught our option. It was right where our option was. So therefore I made another option for as it was up there, and I knew it was going to go back down. So I made this $5,000 option to try and win back what we already lost. And basically here it is. Here is the profit. So apart from everything, we made profit. We had 7,000, and through two options, it's normal to have let's say errors or unlucky options. It's normal, as long as it's not just those. So as long as you're making profit. So yeah, this is good so far. I'm gonna go ahead and make another $5,000 option here, and I'm gonna go and make a put option for 5,000 for 1 minute. And the idea behind this is just it's also crossing down the middle line right now of Donchian channel is acting as a support level in this situation. Yeah, so it was acting as a resistance level, then the market had crossed it, and from that moment it acts as a support level, and we can either bounce off it or we can go and break through it. And this is a situation that's happening. We broke through this resistance level, and I'm expecting a profit from this one. I hope there is no pullback though. So let's wait for the result. Here it is. Here it is. $14,000. So 4,000 we just made on this option. Let's go almost 5 actually. 4,800. So we're gonna go ahead and make another option. This is a really serious profit already. Let's check out some. Let's check this out. This one here. Ooh, we see a couple of patterns here. Let's go ahead and make 4,000 call option for 1 minute. And there's a couple of situations here. We see, first of all, there is a strong green candle that went up, which is a really bullish situation. And plus apart from that, it actually we have a pattern of the trend direction change. So yeah, it looks as it now, although unless it goes down. But yeah, it looks like a change of direction, and it's a nice start of a bullish trend. So let's wait for the result. I'm really excited about this one. I think I'm right. Here we have, wow, that was really tricky, because it went just on the verge of our option, and it went down actually. I don't know if it's a pullback, but actually this played out in our favor. But yeah, I would suggest that there is a direction change of the market, and the bearish market had finished, and that's when it's nice to. So if you would make another one, you would make it into a long again, because a bullish trend has started. Guys, if you enjoyed this, we're gonna stop here. We made just amazing profit today. I'm sure you'll agree. Let me know in the comments if you like this content and if you like the format, and any suggestions or questions. subscribe, like, comment, all that. In the description there's all the useful information, links to the Telegram group with my team, or a link to the platform Quotex where I trade. So use those, and I'll see you all next time. All the best. Goodbye.